Once we've determined that our windows are good candidates for simply replacing the double hung sash and balance system, the next step would be to determine the correct size. Best way to do that, of course, is to measure your existing opening. Now, in some cases you may have a wood-to-wood opening. In other cases you may have a balance system in here for your existing window that might be either a vinyl or might be metal. Those are a little bit more difficult to measure in order to gain the proper size. But in this particular case, we've got a vinyl balance system in here that blocks us from reaching the wood behind it. The best way, of course, tilt and remove your existing sash and remove the balances and measure your opening from wood to wood. That being the case, the best way would be to measure from wood to wood on your existing opening in the width and measure it in several places into the opening, and the same is true in the height. Because we have this balance system in here, there's a little trick that we can often use and that installers will often use of taking anything from a simple business card to an index card, sliding it in back behind the balance system in here and compressing it, taking a pen or a pencil, marking a line, then measuring between the balance system for the tracks and adding this small dimension, one for each side. That will give you a reasonably accurate measurement for the width. The best way to measure for the height is to open the window, as we've done here, a couple of inches. Standing on the inside, it can work on the outside, but it's a little more difficult. But standing on the inside, we should be able to take our tape measure and slide it down between the two sash to the point of where it drops down on the windowsill. Extend our tape up into the window opening and we'll be able to obtain a correct height measurement. This is called our sash opening, and these are the dimensions that are critical in order to properly order your sash replacement kit.